Hey guys, today I'm going to teach you how to find your Steam game files on your Windows 10 PC. First, open your File Explorer. So previously I installed Steam games on all three of my drives. So for example, on drive F, I'm going to open this file. I'm going to open Steam Library, Steam Apps, and then Common. In here you're going to see that I'm going to find some of installation directories. But these are mostly empty because I already uninstalled these games, like in this case. But now I'm going to open my drive C, and in C I'm going to open program files x86, go to Steam, go to Steam Apps, back to Common, and in here you're going to find more of my games. And at the moment I have Total War Warhammer 3 installed. Let me show you. Here you are going to see game files. So that's all for this episode, guys. I hope that you find this content useful. So please like, subscribe, and see ya!